Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava phone setting friends, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys accessibility setting, and today video title is guys what is talkback in Lava mobile and how to enable and how to use it. Friends, you want to enable, you want to use talkback setting on Lava mobile. So friends, talkback full setting in this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, first of all we will on Lava mobile setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Lava mobile. So friends, on your Lava mobile click here, get this assistant setting. After on assistant setting friends, you can see fingerprint function setting, smart answer setting, 3 finger screenshot setting, lift to big setting. Friends, click here accessibility setting. After an accessibility setting friends, select to speak you want to enable on a device. Right side friends, you can enable allow here, and select to speak will enable on your device. So guys we will not enable, so guys we will click talkback, and guys we will enable talkback. Right side friends, click here allow option, talkback will enable on your device. After on this talkback, after enable talkback guys, you cannot use your Lava mobile screen with one finger friends. Friends, you can see we cannot scroll 2 finger friends. You can use your Lava mobile screen, you can control your device. And friends, you want to use back button and get the 3 button, so you will have to double tap, because guys if you one tap you cannot back, you cannot close any app. So friends, one tap, double tap, continue, one tap, double tap, continue guys. So with one tap, double tap, recent tap friends you want to close, double tap here. 2 finger friends you can close, because friends one finger we cannot use Lava mobile screen. Use your 2 finger and you can close your recent tap. So a person who is blind guys, they use talkback with sound setting, because they when they click on any icon name, Instagram icon, file icon, Chrome icon, camera, photos, app setting. So when they listen sound and get they double tap on icon and get they use Instagram like that, YouTube app, Instagram app, WhatsApp, and double tap here. When recent app you can close. And friends, you don't want to use talkback setting, you want to turn off talkback. So guys, one tap here on setting, double tap here. Friends, scroll it. Friends, again click here assistant setting, double tap here, accessibility setting, double tap here, talkback, double tap, use talkback, double tap here, stop button, double tap, talkback will off on our Lava phone device. And friends, we can use a Lava mobile with one finger. Friends, you can on any app, you can on any setting with one tap. So like that friends, we can use talkback full setting on Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.